Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. Vikas Kamra. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Dr. Vikas Kamra. Today, in this video, we'll cover one numerical question from chapter Arrays, that is your Unit 1 from the Data Structure subject. It is very important question as 2D array and 3D array numericals always comes in your minor exam as well as your final exam. So we are covering 2D array numerical to find out the address of kth element in the array. This example is taken from Shom series book Data Structures. So let us start with this numerical. So it is a 2D array numerical. So you are given a class of 25 students. They have given 4 tests. It means there is a 2D matrix that is 25 by 4 means there are 100 elements in this matrix, or you can say 2D array, where 25 is the number of rows and 4 is the number of column. Now you can see the representation in the form of a table shown here: test 1, test 2, test 3 and test 4 marks. There are 25 rows because there are 25 students, row 1, row 2, up to 25 rows. This will be given to you in your exam. So you have to find out the address of the particular element on the kth row and lth column. Here score is the name of 2D array in which these records are stored. For example, score 21 represents the second student first test marks, that is 95. Score 22 represents second row, second column and the marks are 100. Similarly, score 23 is 88, score 24 is 96. Now these are the actual values stored on those locations, but we need to find out the address of these locations. For that, some input values will be given to you, and by applying row major order representation or column major order representation, you have to find the address of any particular element. So let us start. So now I am coming to the question part. So suppose this is the given question to you. You can see on this screen. Here you can see example number 4.12. The same 25 by 4 matrix is given to you and the name of array is score. So you can see here. So now few input values will be given to you. That is base address. Base address is the address of first element of the array. Means from where the first row and first column will be stored in memory. It will be given to you. That means 200 is the starting address. The word size of each element, because we are storing number values here, so the size of number is, or you can say integer, is 4 bytes. So it will take 4 words per memory cell. It will be given to you. So number of rows are 25, number of columns are 4, name of array is score, base address is 200, word size is equal to 4. So now this is the complete given values. You have to find out the address of an element stored on location number 12(3), means 12th row and 3rd column. So what will be the address of this thing? Now the most important part, it depends upon the row major representation or column major representation. Row major representation means first the elements will be stored in the rows. If first row is complete, then second row will start. Now, if it is second row complete under all columns, third row will start. That means you are storing the values row wise. Now, similarly, in column major order, first the entries in the first column will be filled. Once the first column is filled, then entries from second column will start. So it will be given to you, as you can see in this question, row major representation or row major order is given to you. Now you have to find out the address of location 12(3) from this matrix of 25 by 4 and the representation in the row major order. So now I will show you the formulas. So let us start. In the row major order representation, LOC means location. the address which you want to find. A is the array, name of array. As you can see here, it is shown as score. It can be any name. J is the jth row and K is the kth column for which you want to find the address. What values you need? The base address. It is given to you here as 200. Word size. It is given to you as 4 words per memory cell. Number of columns. N represents number of column. So there are 4 columns in the 2D array. Then J, as you see, the location for which you want to find the address, and the K, the column for which you want to find the address. So here you can see I want to find the address of 12.3 in row major order. Now let us start with the example. A 25 by 4 matrix is given to you. Base address is given 200. You want to find out the address of location 12.3 where word size is given 4. So now put the values in this row major order formula. First thing is base address, that is 200. Then word size, that is given to you 4. Now n is the number of column. Here there are 4 columns in the matrix. So this 4 came here. Now j is the column number and J is the row number and K is the column number for which you want to find the address. Here 12 is the row, 3rd is the column. So put 12 and 3. So now after putting these values, you can calculate these values. As you can see here, 3 minus 1 becomes 2. This 12 minus 1 becomes 11. Then multiply with 4, it becomes 44. So 44 plus 2 becomes 46 here. Now you can see. So now 46 into 4 plus 200. The answer is 384. This is the solved example for the row major order given to you. So what it means, for column number 3 and row number 12, the address in the memory is 384. But now we'll do it for the column major order, because in row major order answer is 384. Now coming to column major order, first you need to fill the base address, that is 200 plus W. This W is given you 4. Now M is the number of rows, that is 25. Then K is the column, that is 3rd, minus 1, plus J is the row, that is 12 minus 1. So you need to solve this equation and you will get the answer for column major order. We'll see 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 25, 50. So it becomes 61. So 61, 4 is there outside and 200. Now solve this equation. 50 plus 11, 61 into 4. So 61 into 4, 60 into 4 becomes 240 and 244. It becomes 244 plus 200 is the base address. So the answer is 444. So in row major order, answer was 384. In column major order, answer was 444. So you just need to remember these two formulas. Everything will be given to you. You have to just put the values in row major and column major and you will get your answer. So I hope this numerical of 2D array is clear to you, because in this I have explained you to find out the address of particular jth row and kth column in a given 2D array. So in the next video, I'll cover the same row major column major order for 3D array. That is little difficult and important as well. So stay connected for the next video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefited from these numericals. Thank you, dear students.